Hello everyone, welcome back to my English podcast. Today I'd like to talk about the things that I do in my language learning journey that I believe makes me become a better learner. I wrote them down on my notebook and in case I missed any details. Let's get started. First, I strongly believe that to be fluent in a language, you need to be familiar with the sound system of the language first. It is very fundamental and the most important. You need to learn and become familiar with the sounds of the language. Second, I always remind myself that I don't need to remember all the things I learned, and I don't need to use all the words in my own speaking. When you don't hear the word you learned from a book in your daily life, you will forget it. It is how it works, so I try not to put so much pressure on myself. And third, I know learning with a textbook is very boring, but I believe that to learn a language systematically, you need a textbook to some extent. So use the textbooks in the beginning of your journey. And fourth, this is one of the most important ones. You need to know yourself. You need to know what kind of learner you are to stay motivated. There are various thousands of ways to learn a language, but you need to find your own way that suit you the most. So try to know yourself. And the final one is this. I believe this is my biggest strength, makes me different from the average learner, is that I always go to ChatGPT or dictionary whenever I'm curious. For example, let's say the other day I was hanging out with my friend. We went to the bathroom. After I used the bathroom and I came out and I was looking for her and she was still inside, and then she came out and then I said, I thought you had already left, but I didn't know how to say it exactly in the situations. So I went to ChatGPT and look it up right away, and then I learned that, I can say, I thought you had already left. This is what I do in my daily life. So I never hesitate to look it up when I want to know something. So these are the things that I do when I learn languages. On top of that, language learning is a long journey, so you need to be friends with the language. So be nice to the language, and it's about improving yourself. It's about to become a better person, right? Thank you for watching. That's all for today. Bye bye. Hello, hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So you live in Indonesia?
I'm currently live in Australia.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah. What about you?
I live in Korea, South Korea. So how long have you been living in Australia?
I think it's almost 3 years.
3
Next month
years.
is 3 years.
Nice, okay.
What about you?
4 years. For 4 years.
Oh. So you can speak Korean?
Yeah, I speak Korean. So are you a student? Do you study?
Yes, I am.
I'm also a student. I'm a graduate student. Which city do you live in?
I'm living in Melbourne.
Oh, I really want to go to Melbourne. I've been preparing to go to Melbourne after I graduate here. I want to go to University of Melbourne. I've been preparing for IELTS exam and about documents. Good city, right? How about weather there? Weather is really important to me. Except the weather, really. Weather is really important to me. So it changes a lot.
Yes.
Yeah, there's a saying, you can see 4 seasons in a day. Oh yeah, sure. I love to.
Yeah. Maybe someday we can meet here.
Yeah, I hope so.
Hello.
Hello, hi.
Actually, I'm your fan.
You know me? Thank
Yeah,
you.
of course, I know you.
Thank
I'm
you.
Korean, right?
Yeah, it's me. Thank you. How are you? So, where are you from? Which city do you live in?
But actually, I'm from Magway, but now I'm living in Yangon, in Sanya.
Okay, so do you have any specific purpose living in Yangon?
Yeah.
For education?
Yeah, education.
Okay. What do you study, by the way? Okay, I see. Actually, I found this yesterday. So I started using yesterday, and then I really, really like it. And people are so nice. It was nice to meet you. Bye bye.
That's nice.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too.
Yeah.
I'm actually from Myanmar. Have you heard about it?
Yeah.
So you want to be a content creator? Or just for fun? You do it just for fun?
Just for fun. Have you ever heard that?
Gojek, I have
yeah.
heard about it. Yeah.
Do you want to talk more or?
I have to.
leave?
I have work after. That's like
Okay.
at 5, so I have to leave the room. Okay. It was really nice to meet you.
It
Have
was
a
really
great
nice to
day.
meet you too.
Have a great day. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Hello everyone. Welcome and welcome back to my English podcast. Happy New Year, guys. I wish you all the best. In my last videos, I kind of announced my age, that I'm 27, but some of you commented that I look younger than my age. So today I decided to tie my hair and kind of look more mature. I thought I looked young because of my short hair, so yeah. Do I look 27 now? Anyway, today I'd like to talk about reading, which is a boring topic, I know. But I think it is one of the most important skills, but also the most underrated one in language learning. Let's talk about it. When we learn a new language, we always focus on speaking. I was the same. We always ask that how can I speak more fluently? How can I do to sound more natural? Surprisingly, the thing that many learners do not realize is that reading actually builds the foundation for good speaking. We read books, articles, or stories, then we don't learn the isolated words. We learn how to use the words in the context. So we see collocations, phrasal verbs, and also expressions, sentence patterns. And I believe we need that type of repeated exposure. And also reading improves speaking skills. Even though it may not seem very obvious at first, we're saying, oh, I know a lot of grammar, but I don't know what to say. It's idea problem, aka knowledge problem. Reading gives us those ideas. So books introduce us new topics, knowledge, emotions. So that's because I think that sometimes you feel like you don't know what to say, you don't know what to talk about. It is not always about your speaking. So the solution is simply to read more. So I highly recommend you to read it out loud. Read and say it verbally. So when we speak, we're not trying to create ideas from nothing. We're drawing back from the things that we've read, we've already seen. If you do it repeatedly over time, instead of translating in your head, you started to feel what sounds right. So that's why I believe reading out loud can help your speech more accurate, smoother, and more natural. And we need knowledge to express ourselves fully. Knowledge becomes words, words become sentences, and sentences become confident speech. So that's why I think reading is not optional. It's essential. And it's okay to start with a passage or like 3 or 4 sentences, and you should just read without thinking anything. So and after doing it, and over time, you're started to see the result. The things you want to speak automatically came out without even thinking. Let's become better English speakers together in 2026. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I asked ChatGPT to give me the script about self-love. Today I'm gonna talk about it. I learned it by heart, and this video is purely for practice in my English. Let's go! Guys, today I'm gonna talk about something we all hear about, but do not always know how to actually do. Self-love. Not the Instagram code Kai, but the real life, sometimes messy, sometimes uncomfortable Kai. Number 1. Stop waiting for permission. First thing, you should stop waiting for someone else to tell you that you're enough. A lot of us keep waiting for approval from parents, friends, even strangers online. Self-love is not about earning it. It's about deciding yourself that you're worthy even when nobody claps for you. Number 2. What was number 2? Number 2. Be brutally honest with yourself. Be real with yourself hurts. but it's the kindest thing that you can do. Self-love isn't just bubble baths, getting nails done, or skincare routines. It's about looking at yourself and saying, yeah, I messed that up, but also I can do better next time. Number 3, take care of your physique. Sometimes self-love is just going to bed earlier, eating real food, and moving your body a little more. It doesn't sound deep, but honestly, that's love. You can't expect to feel good about yourself when you treat your body like trash. Number 4, say no without guilt. Saying no doesn't make you selfish, it makes you sane. If you say yes to everything, you'll run out of energy for the things that actually matter to you. Number 5, stop comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. Social media makes it look like everyone else has their life together. But trust me, you're just seeing their best 2 minutes of the 24-hour. So comparing to that is like comparing your raw footage to someone else's edited movie. Self-love isn't about perfection. Self-love is just about taking care of yourself and treat yourself like you actually care about. So stop making it complicated, start small, and remember, you're already worthy. You just have to start acting like it. Peace. That's what ChatGPT gives me. What do you think? Leave your comments down below. Bye bye!